Struggling with rising costs in 2025? Don't worry, today I'll share 7 proven side hustles you can start this year to boost your income and move closer to financial freedom. Side hustle number 1. Freelancing platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. Skills: writing, design, editing, coding. Side hustle number 2. Print on demand, sell t-shirts, mugs, stickers with no inventory. Side hustle number 3. Affiliate marketing, promote products and earn commissions. Side hustle number 4. Online tutoring, teach English, math, or skills via Zoom. Side hustle number 5. Content creation, YouTube or TikTok, build audience, monetize with ads and sponsorships. Side hustle number 6. Dropshipping, sell products without holding stock. Side hustle number 7. Digital products, ebooks, courses, templates. Conclusion: pick one side hustle, stay consistent, and 2025 could be your breakthrough year for financial success. Subscribe to Smart Finance with Yemi Osini for more proven money-making tips.